Okay, this is the part 2 of our combined gas laws. So we are done with the description, the formula. So let's have the sample problem number 2. Yes. So a gas sample occupies 3.5 liters at an unknown initial pressure and a temperature of 25 degrees Celsius. After heating, the gas expands to 5.0 liters and the pressure becomes 1.20 atm at a temperature of 60 degrees Celsius. So again, you will look at the given kung pareha ba sila og unit, no? If wala sila nagkapareha og unit, see to it nga imuhang ma-convert. Nya ang imuhang temperature, it must be in Kelvin. Ayun na kalimti. So, for the given, we have V1 equals 3.50 liters. Ang T1 is 25 degrees Celsius. So, it's in degrees Celsius. So, what you're gonna do, you need to convert it first to Kelvin. So, that is 298 Kelvin. What about the V2? It is 5.0 liters. So, same ang units of volume. V1 and V2, same sila unit. It is in liters. No, so, it's okay. Hello, Tata. P2, that is 1.20 atm. And ang T2 is 60.0 degrees Celsius. So, it's in degrees Celsius. So, you need to convert it first to Kelvin. So, i-convert daan. So, 60 degrees Celsius is equal to 333 Kelvin. Kana. So, formula. Ang formula, need nimo i-derive first, no? Need nimo siya i-derive first before ka makasubay, before ka makaadto sa solution. So, formula is P1 V1 over T1 equals P2 V2 over T2. Langga, anong gabot na makadira langga? Ay, paulingan to. So, P1 V1 T2 over V1 T2. Nganong nag-over man nag V1 T2? Para makancel nimo ang V1 and T2. Kaya unsa nga to required? What is the missing? So, we are required to find the P1. P1 ang missing. No, ang iyang initial nga pressure. So, imuhang over og V1 T2 para mahabilin ang P1. So, again, kung sige buhat nimo diri sa left side mo, pay buhaton nimo sa right side nga equation. So, over V1 T2. So, what is our formula in finding the P1 or the initial pressure? Yeah, so man itong formula, no? P1 equals P2 V2 T1 over V1 T2. So, mo na nga itong formula nga gamiton to find the initial pressure. So, the solution, what is the solution? So, P1 equals P2 V2 T1 over T1 T2. So, you need to substitute everything na nasa given. Pilang P2, that is 1.20 atm. So, ang V2, that is 5.0 liters. Ang T1, that is 25 degrees Celsius. Nga ato nag-convert ganiha into Kelvin. So, that is now 298 Kelvin. No kana. So, next, so may buhato next. Imong i-over sa V1 T2. Pila ang V1? That is 3.5 liters. What about the T2? That is 60 degrees Celsius and we converted it to Kelvin. So, that is now 333 Kelvin. No? So, next, what are you gonna do? You need to multiply everything na nasa upper part. No? Kaning 1.20 atm 5.0 liters and 298 Kelvin. By the way, i-cancel pa man dahil no? So, cancel liters, Kelvin. So, ang nahabilin is ATM na lang. So, i-multiply to ang 1.20 ATM, 5.0, and 298 over sa product sa 3.5 and 333. So, pila tanan. So, kani diri nga part, imuhang i-multiply, kani pod imuhang i-multiply. So, kani na part diri, that is 1,788 ATM, atmospheric pressure. So, ang ubos, pila man? 1,165.5 ATM. So, when you divided it, what will be the answer? So, P1 equals 1.53 ATM. So, sakto na ang ato ang P1. And ang atong unit kay ATM. So, I hope you understand. I'll be sending you the assessment later. And have a nice day. Thank you.